Hey everybody, just want to kind of update you on our situation. So here at Wet Pleasures, we've had to relocate and we're at our new marina spot. It's kind of temporary, but the situation was at our old dock that a piece of concrete fell in and took out a whole bunch of the wires that feed up into the transformer. They don't know when they can fix that. We were out of power for 8 days and they couldn't give us a time frame and basically said you're going to have to relocate if you want power. So long story short, we've been kind of scrambling to find a place and made our way to a temporary dock, and that was a lot of fun. So at our temporary dock, we came in, we left our main dock in Lantana on Monday, and on our way down to our temporary dock, we got our slip number and everything. But when we got here, we didn't fit. Let me show you. So here's the dock that we were supposed to come into, and we have a beam of 18.5 feet. And this was supposedly going to be 20, and we kind of got up to about the piling right here, and we couldn't go any further forward. So we were about anywhere from 7 to 10 feet off of the cement wall with the nose of our boat because we could not fit in it. So next to that pier, we saw there was kind of an abandoned, it looks like for a catamaran slip. So we slipped into the one next door, and that's the slip that we're in right now. But that wasn't an easy slip because we had some issues with that slip getting in last night. So let me show you what that looked like. It's a fairly big slip. It's meant for a catamaran, but as you can see, there's some dock damage that is over there, and we had to kind of run our lines to that one cleat right there. Now the other side, the pilings, this is the pilings on the other side. They were all goofy, so goofy that this piling right here was hitting our rub rail and actually causing some damage here. So we had to take a ratchet strap and kind of ratchet those together, and we used one of our really big fenders here to try to get that piling from not hitting our boat. So it's been a hell of an experience and a hell of an 8 days. So we don't know how long we'll be here, but we'll see, and we'll keep you guys updated.